All right, we are in our car that is going to be filmed. Oh yeah. A little different than CyberTruck. All right, welcome everybody. CyberTruck Secrets here. Wanted to do this video to show what it would look like if you tried to use your CyberTruck's cameras to shoot rolling shots of your car or a friend's car. This is something I personally have always been interested in trying to do. Doing this kind of thing, hanging your phone out the window or mounting a GoPro to the car can be a little bit annoying. What's especially cool about Teslas and the Cybertruck is that you can get these 4 different views shooting all at the same time. So here you can see this is the passenger fender camera. We do a little rolling shot, and then you get your front camera. This is going to be up in the windshield. Unfortunately, you cannot use the bumper camera, although I'm pretty sure it would be pretty hard to get a close enough perspective with that, with how much of a wide angle camera it is. But you are able to get the 4 cameras. This is the driver side fender camera. And you can see you can get the cars nicely framed in there with the view angle of that camera and windshield. So one pretty cool thing about this is that you can actually have these cameras showing on the screen inside the car while you're recording. Now, the only one that is a little bit of an exception is going to be the front view camera, because that is going to be in the top of the windshield. So that will not show. The front bumper camera will actually be the one showing for that. But you can see here we got pretty close to that rear view camera. However, with it being a wide angle, you have to get really, really close to the truck to get that close of a view. But as you can see when it cycles through here, this is our passenger side fender camera again. Then we go to the driver's side. Pretty easy to get the car nicely framed in there. It's pretty similar to what you'll see in the side view mirror, except you can get the car nicely framed. I just wanted to do a little video showing the Cybertruck driving along and kind of how close we're following for some of these rear view shots to give you an idea of perspective. So it looks pretty far away when you actually look at the truck camera. But you can get some pretty nice shots at this fisheye perspective if you do a slow roll by and kind of hang back a little bit. But definitely the best camera views in this are going to be the side fender cameras. You can really get the car really nicely framed in there. You can look at it right on the screen in the truck, so you can have your friend tell you when we were on a phone call so that we were able to communicate when the car looked nice in the actual video screen inside the truck. But you can get some really nice shots with these hardware 4 cameras in the Cybertruck. Really high resolution, big improvement in contrast and saturation. This is all unedited, straight from the USB stick of the Cybertruck. So you can get a really good idea of the types of shots you're able to achieve. But yeah, if you're trying to get some rolling shots and have a friend with a Tesla, definitely recommend giving this a shot. It's pretty easy, and the multiple views is great. Well, this has been CyberTruck Secrets, and I hope you enjoyed this video.